Hey folks, welcome back. This is phase 2 of my full Tremor Expedition Overlanding Cube build out. If you missed phase 1 of the build outs, then I have a link up here. And be sure to watch this through, because this is the section when there was definitely some blood, sweat, and tears, and some safety issues as well. So watch this all the way through. Thank you for your support, and if this is inspirational to you, hit that like button. Here's something I actually got from TikTok. Really like it. I think that would do the trick. Get that perfectly aligned. Excellent. Alright, that one's too short. I just happen to have a longer version in a random bag from another project, so we'll make that work. Alright, there we go. Get that up. Alright, I got it. Alright, I'm gonna grab this thing from down below. Nice. This gap here, we're definitely going to utilize that. What is that for? $19. So I just can't get my hands down there to screw this in, and this is going to be a backstop for my cast iron grilling plates I like to use. So I'm going to go with plan B, a little bit of Gorilla Glue here. And just in the nick of time. Oh, happy anniversary, Michelle. Gorilla spray adhesive. That's exactly what we need. Alright, that was a little tricky, but got that carpet glued in there, and that's going to work really well for my cast iron grilling pan. So I'm sorry I didn't get this construction part on film, but I want to show you one of the main parts of this project. We have to make sure we secure this heavy cube, especially if there's an accident. So what I did was I replaced the skimpy little bolt I had here and put a big U-bolt through it with some machine bolts. And then I picked up two turnbuckles, actually side stays from an old sailboat I had. And if you can see this, and down here I took a bolt out from the chair, which goes directly through the frame of the truck. I had to do a little bit of blacksmithing to get this bolt to go down into a groove and still be at 90 degrees to secure it to this bolt. But with these side stays, which are designed for a lot of pressure on the mainsail of a sailboat, with 3 cotter pins through it, this should be very, very secure. Alright, so what I gotta do is somehow remove this drawer, so let me look into that so I can get to those screws down below. But it's taking shape. Excellent. Oh my god. Alright, this kicked up. It literally kicked me in the stomach. Look at that. Oh man, that hurt. Maybe I should have used this, huh? Just continue to push this all the way through so it's beyond that blade. I was lucky. Alright folks, I'm back. It'll be interesting to see in slow-mo what exactly happened there. The best as I understand it, I was pushing this through like so. And I think as soon as I was done here, I stopped and let go and an edge caught. And I know an edge caught because we can see where the saw caught it here. And then it flipped back. Hit me right here, which fortunately hit me straight on, and I basically just got winded, so I lucked out. If it was like this, it could have penetrated and who knows, burst a spleen. It could be worse. Alright, this is also a little bit of a tricky piece because I'm going to cut all the way through here, but not beyond this 2 inches, because I'm going to have a little bit of an overlap here for this to sit on. Hey folks, thank you so much for watching this all the way through. This completes phase 2 of 3 of my build outs. So if you want to watch the completion of this project, by all means go to that video right down there. And if you missed the beginning phase, then I'll have a link up here as well. As always, if this is inspirational to you, hit that like button, and to get announcements of future videos I'll be putting out in my Tremor Expedition series, then by all means subscribe down below.